Hey guys, this is Graham back at Glow Community Center, and today I'm going to show you guys the next level of a genocide. After you learn the single swing genocides, I'll show you guys how to do multiple swing genocides. Before you try multiple swing genocides, obviously you have to be really comfortable with the single swing. If you have the single swing down, learning how to do multiple swings is going to be super simple. You just have to get this toss in the correct spot. For multiple swings, obviously the toss has to be a little higher to give you more time to do swings, whether it's 1, 2, or 3. Now to really get that toss up, you're gonna have to use your knees a little, and the swing pattern is gonna be a little different. So for a single swing, I just swing my yo-yo horizontally in a horizontal plane, right? The yo-yo just went like this, and I release. If you wanna pop it up, you kinda have to swing down a little bit, and then pop it up. You could even try using your knees a little, right? So I loop, I swing down, and then I pop it up. You need to really try to get that toss popped up a little more. Then you can move on to the next step, and the next step is actually just to make sure you can clear that swing, that extra swing. So you don't have to catch the genocide right now, right? All you have to do is make sure you can pop the yo-yo up high enough to get that swing. You don't have to catch the yo-yo, but make sure clear that once, whether it's 1 swing or 2 swing or 3 swing. You try to make sure you have enough room. Make sure your swing goes under, not over, right? So you pop it up, make sure you have enough room to clear that extra swing before you try catching the yo-yo. All right, after you're able to clear that swing, the rest should be easy. You're just catching it. All right, the finish is exactly the same, nothing different. Switching hands, stepping into the yo-yo, grabbing that string right here, and then sliding your hand back onto the stick. Really important to learn single swing. Be comfortable with the finish. Make sure you're doing everything properly with the single swing. And then 2 swings and 3 swings will be really simple. I'll show you guys, I've been doing 2 swings. I'll just show you guys 3 swings really quickly. Pop it up, even higher. 1, 2, and then catch on the 3rd swing. Yeah, that's it for multiple swing genocides. Too different from single swing. But I'll see you guys next time when I teach you guys 360 genocides. So see you then.